If you want to grow through winter, if you want greens when others have bare beds, you have to start with sunlight. And before you plant another seed, there's one critical step every serious gardener takes: mapping the sun. Because sunlight is the foundation, it decides everything: what survives, what thrives, and what struggles. Winter is when your garden tells the truth. The sun rides low in the southern sky, stretching shadows farther and longer than any time of the year. Every tree, fence, house, and structure suddenly shows its influence, where light reaches and where it never will. And because deciduous trees have shed their leaves, you're seeing your garden's purest form, its bones in an exposure laid bare. This is the perfect time to understand how sunlight really works in your space. And without this knowledge, winter growing becomes guesswork. Start simple. On a clear day, step outside every few hours, morning, noon, and late afternoon. Watch where the shadows fall and mark them with flags or stones. A tall stick in the soil makes an excellent gauge if you don't have a structure. Its shadow length tells you how low the sun sits in the sky. Record everything, all the details. You're capturing your garden's light rhythm, and the rhythm determines where life continues through the cold months. Now, if you want precision, use a Sun Position app, and I have a few that I really like. Tools like Sunlit, Sunseeker, Sun Surveyor let you stand right in your garden or at your desk and see the sun's altitude, azimuth, direction, and angle in real time. Many of these apps feature shadow mapping, so you can actually drop a virtual marker right in your garden and see where the shadows will be longest during the day. You can put in the height of your fence, greenhouse, tree, and instantly see how far that shadow will reach on any day of the year. That's critical if you plan to grow through winter, because in December and January, the winter solstice being in December, even a small obstruction can steal your garden's only warmth. Sun mapping isn't a design luxury, it's a foundation of year-round gardening. If you want lettuce, kale, herbs to keep growing through frost, you must know where the winter light lingers the longest. Those few bright patches, often along a south-facing wall or slope, become your lifeline. That's where you place cold frames, hoop houses, or raised beds for max heat and light. The shaded corners, they're perfect for composting, leaf mold bins, or overwintering dormant perennials. When you understand your light map, your garden becomes strategic. You're not fighting nature, you're aligning with it. Master gardeners say the best gardens are planned in winter. This is when light speaks the loudest. Those long shadows, low sun, they reveal where life can thrive in the coldest months. If you dream of fresh greens in January, early blooms in February, or thriving spring before your neighbors even start, sun mapping isn't optional, it's essential in your garden. Step outside, mark the light, and read your garden's map. Because when you plan by the sun, you go stronger, longer, and smarter from the ground up. Go ahead and like us and follow us and get more gardening tips.